Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akim. Today we'll be looking at the easiest way to create a WordPress website on a local host. So this is simply by having your website on your computer at home. So you don't need the internet to be able to edit those websites and do some other things. We have two simple steps in order to do this. First is to set up our local server. Now the local server is the server that manages your PHP and other things that need to run on the server. Now we have different of this. We have the XAMPP, we have the WAMP, we have the AMP, which can work for Windows OS. So with no further ado, so let's get started. First we need to download and install our local server. So we'll be making use of AMP, so we can go to the website and download it, or we can go to Google and then search for AMPs. Okay, you can search for AMPs download, and then you click on the link to download it. You simply download it by clicking on the button. So once you download it, you install it. I've already downloaded and installed it on this PC, so I will cancel this. So there are simple steps. Just click on the download, wait for it to complete. Once it completes, double click it to start the installation. Once you're done with the installation, you're pretty done with the first steps. And then the second steps is where you get to install your WordPress. In order to do that, you need to start the server you just downloaded, the AMPs. Okay, so I just started the server. The Apache is running, the PHP 7.3, and then MySQL. If you feel you need to change this, you can simply change it by going to this option and then change PHP version and select the version of your choice. So I'll be going back. So once we're done with the installation and we have windows like this, you can then click on the install apps option. By clicking on that, you have these steps. So you can click on blog if it's not open. So you select WordPress, that is what we want to install, and then you simply click on install. Now if you want to create another folder name apart from the WP, so you can type the folder name, select your version here, and then the name of your website. So my local websites. Okay, so we pretty much leave this like this. You want to copy and have your username and password. So this is my username, and then password, I will generate one and copy that and save it. So once you're done with that, you click on install. This is pretty much like the way it is done on the internet server. Okay, if you host your website with site that uses Softaculous, so you end up saying the same thing. So we're pretty much done. This has installed a WordPress website. We can click on this link to view the website. This is the website that has been installed, the latest version of WordPress 5.5. And then this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. That is pretty much everything that we need to do to install the WordPress. We can see it running. You can simply go to your Softaculous, and then if you click on this will take you to your home, and this will take you to your local host. By clicking on this will show you the list of projects that you have. So you can simply click on the WP that we just create here, and then to access your admin, we know it's WP admin. So you put in your password, and then you log in. This is everything. If you like this video, please click on the like button, click on subscribe in order to join the community, and then click on the bell icon to get notification when we drop videos like this. Thank you for watching the video.